your perspective, had the market just gone too far too fast, or is it right to be nervous about the economy and the second wave concerns?
Well, certainly there are going to be some second wave concerns. So I think it's right for the market to be worried about that. And we've talked about the idea that we're going to probably see some bumpiness, at least for the next several months. But we also had seen an incredible rally from the bottom. So the idea that investors might be looking to take some profits here is certainly part of what's driving this up as well.
Yeah, and when you look at the momentum that we had here over the past few weeks, Lori, I mean, there is a general sense here that you were going to get some profit taking. I guess when you look at the pullback that we're getting today, as strong as it is, does that sort of give you any sense here that maybe the upward trajectory is still intact? This idea here that you sort of need these pullbacks in order to keep these rallies going?
Well, part of it is going to be a function of how the narrative starts to shift. So one of the things that was pretty interesting yesterday in the Fed discussion was that they're still prepared to do whatever it takes, right? So they're not going to be the ones who sort of choke off this recovery at all. In fact, if anything, in the face of any sort of uncertainty, they're likely to remain more dovish versus doing something that would be a little bit more hawkish and pulling anything back. So we continue to have this environment where policymakers are really driving things to the degree that they're willing to have a loose monetary policy, to the degree that there continue to be other fiscal stimulus in play. Those are all things that ultimately will help get us through this pullback period and then drive the markets higher from here.